now we're going to add one step into the process. We're asked to solve 2x squared equals 98. Again, we're going to be using the square root property again, but in this case, we don't just have the variable being squared by itself. We have to perform another operation first. So 2x squared equals 98. In order to isolate the variable term being squared, we'll have to divide both sides by 2. That gives us x squared equals 49. Now we'll invoke the square root property because the variable being squared is isolated. So square root of x squared equals plus or minus the square root of 49. Square root of x squared is x equals plus or minus square root of 49 is simply 7. So let's go ahead and check our solution. We'll start with the negative first. So 2 times negative 7 squared. We want to know, does that equal 98? Well, negative 7 squared is 49, so 2 times 49, does that equal 98? And it does. 98 equals 98. And again, if we substituted the positive in here, in this instance, we can just put a plus in there, and it's the same second step. So both of our solutions check. 2x squared equals 98 when x equals plus or minus 7. And again, we isolated the quadratic term, made its coefficient 1, dividing both sides by 2. Then we applied the square root property and simplified the radical. And finally checked our solutions by substituting into the original equation.